Hello everyone, this is Lamin Sane of CodeLogical, and today we're going to be having a look at how to do slightly more advanced data binding in Ember. Okay, so here we are in our app.js file in a new Ember.js app.kit template setup, and what we're going to do is see this first name property of the index controller. That's what we're going to bind to, and we're going to create an input field as well, and as you're typing and changing the value of the input field, this first name property will adjust appropriately as well. Okay, so we will deal with this later, but for now let's just move it downwards. So we just bind to the first name here in our template, and when we refresh we should see Christina showing up there. Okay, so now let's use one of Ember's helpers, which is the input one. And since an input element usually has a value property, a value attribute, we're just going to say value equal to first name. Basically what that's doing is just binding the value attribute of the input form element to first name. Now going back in our browser, when we refresh, we should see Christina up in that input tag. And as we're changing Christina, we should see the other Christina on the left hand side changing as well. You can change it to my name, my other name, and you put anything there, and that changes instantly on the binding as well. So one more thing I want to show you is that you see these each helper that we have here, that's just looping through the model property. We also want to make sure that anytime that the model has been updated, that is, a new item has been added to the model, that this li tag here automatically loops and it shows in our browser here. So let's just quickly create something just to showcase how that works. So we'll have a link to actually we don't need a link to in this case. Let's just have a button, and it says update model. That's the text in it, and inside here we'll have an action that says add new item. So let's create an action in our controller called add new item. And inside there, what we're going to do is we're going to take this model of this controller and then push another item inside of it. So we're going to do this dot get. So remember, if you want to get a property, you just use the get. So model dot push object. And remember, if you want to push new stuff inside of an array, in this case the model is an array, use the push object. And we'll just say new item because it's a string type, if you notice here. So anytime we click that button and it calls this add new item action, we should have a new item in this. So after refreshing the browser, this is what we see. So let's just click on update model and we should get new items added here, but that didn't work. Let's just see what error we had. And it says nothing handled the action add new item. Okay, seems like we made an error. See, add new item, index add new item. Oh, made a mistake here, should be actions instead of action. Let's go back in our browser and we refresh, and when I do this, as you can see, new items being added. And let's just inspect actually using the Ember inspector, and we are inside the controller here, and this is the model. As you can see, these are the items in the model. When I click it, this should automatically update. When I say this new item, when I click it, that updates, and I click it again, new item, new item, new item. Check the model and new items have been added there as well. And the more items we add, as usual. It should happen, and this data binding will continue to work as usual. They don't affect each other. So that's it guys for this tutorial video, and as we're going in this course, we'll just be touching on more advanced data binding, because I want to take it one step at a time, not to overwhelm everyone. And that's it. So thanks for watching guys. I will see you soon in another video, and as usual, if this was helpful, please do comment and subscribe and like the videos. It does help a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.